This video is to provide some information on placement testing at Harper College for students in AED Bridge classes for summer of 2024. If you are in a Bridge class, it's probably because you want to start taking credit classes at Harper College. So here's some information about credit English classes at Harper College. Some students need to improve their English language skills because they speak another language. So some students need to take ESL, academic ESL classes, before or at the same time with their college classes. These are the academic English levels. They are not the same as the AED or ELA levels. So if you are in level 10 of AED or ELA, you might be in level 3 or level 4 or level 5 or in English 101, depending on your reading and writing skills. So this shows the levels of academic ESL and how they go directly to English 101, which is a college composition class. So reading and writing are the required classes. You can see here a list of some optional classes. Another type of English that some people might take is to take English 101 with a support class that is called ESP 095, and some people might just take English 101 directly. So what is special about English 101, which is listed on all of these locations? All college students who are studying for a degree and some certificates must take this class. This class is a prerequisite for other classes at Harper, like anatomy. A prerequisite means you must take it before you take some of those classes. Also, passing this class, English 101, means that you are an English-speaking student. Sometimes you don't have to take the TOEFL or other tests if you go to a different school. And in fact, English 101 is accepted by many graduate programs in the United States as proof of English proficiency. So at Harper College, we have two placement tests for English. One is the ESL placement test, and one is the college English placement test. So let's compare them. It's a good idea to take the ESL placement test if you know that you need to study more English. If you feel that you need to practice your reading and writing skills and improve your vocabulary, work on your grammar, that's what you should take. For this test for this summer, you will sign up to take it on a Google document, and you will attend testing in person in Building D, Room 138. For this test, you would write a paragraph, which takes about 15 minutes, and then you would take an online reading test where you answer questions, multiple choice questions. At the end of the ESL placement test, a teacher will help you to choose your classes. If you want to take the English placement test, this means you are ready for all college level classes. You feel that you are ready to take English 101. Remember, you can take college level classes as an ESL student if you are in level 4 and 5. You could take another class along with it, like accounting or business or something like that. The English placement test means all of your classes will be college level. If you want to take this class, we recommend that you take a preparation workshop. It's possible to take this test, the English placement test, online or in person in A148, which is the testing center. For this test, you need to read an article, write a summary, and then write an essay with more than one paragraph to agree or disagree. For the English placement test, you will find out your results 1 or 2 days after you take the test, and you should make an appointment with your advisor to discuss results. I'm showing more information online about signing up. So this is signing up for the academic ESL reading and writing placement test. So you can see there the testing and placement will take 1, maybe 2 hours. All of this will be in Building D, Room 138, and these are the days and the times that you can take. So we have some morning, some evening, and a few different days of the week also. So for this, you will be putting, or your teacher will be putting, your full name and your age number. Please make sure you have your college credit application filed with Harper before taking this. And you can also look at the ESL department, academic ESL department website to see more information about the office. If you want to take the English placement test, you can see this information on the Harper College website. One of the important pieces of information that they have here is a review workshop. So there's one coming up on June 26 or July 10. Might work for you. That would help you prepare to take this college English placement test. You can also watch the video, and you can see a lot of information here about the placement test. Okay, so if you plan to take the placement test, you could either take it in the testing center. This is in Building A, room 148, and this is also where they would give you information about the math placement test if you're going to take that. And you can find on their website also a very long document about how to access the English placement test online. If you're going to take it online, you would need to use HonorLock, which is video monitoring software, and it explains to you how to access that. So this link, we will provide this link to you, which has all of those links that I showed, as well as information about ESL program. Okay, so just to note that if you take the ESL placement test and you do very well, you could go and take the college English placement test. Or if you take the college English placement test and you are not quite ready for English 101, we will request that you take the ESL placement test after. So it is possible to take both tests, or to be required to take both tests. So as a reminder, you can only take each test one time. You need to do your best to be in the most appropriate level for you, and always ask your teacher or advisor if you are not sure about something. So who does not need a placement test at Harper? Some shorter certificates at Harper do not require a placement test. For example, for the accounting bookkeeper clerk certificate, students need to take 4 classes, 2 accounting classes and 2 computer application systems classes, these 4 classes. Now, if you take these 4 classes, you would be able to enter the workforce. It is a short certificate that just is quick and gets you ready to get a job, a beginning kind of level job. If you decided you wanted the next level, advanced accounting bookkeeper, you would need 4 more classes, and one of those is English 101. So if what you want to study needs the English 101, then you would have to take the placement test at that time. All degree-seeking students need a placement test. So that means anyone who wants to transfer to a university or wants to finish their associate's degree at Harper would need to take a placement test. But if you're taking a shorter certificate, that is the case where you might not need to take one of those placement tests. So if you have any questions, please let us know, and follow the links also to read more information. Thank you.